Hello and welcome to Technic Force tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to target countries in TubeTarget. Newly updated TubeTarget gives you the ability to choose countries you want to target in your ads. This is for you to run country-specific ads and get your customers from the exact location you desire. This update is applicable to both Elite and Pro versions. Let me show you how to do it. When you log in to your TubeTarget account, on the left sidebar, select Videos Finder. As you can see, there is now Advanced Search. Switch it. You'll now see options. First thing to do is to enter your keyword. Select Language. Next is License. Date before published. You can also choose your video definition. Next thing is the country you want to target. Search priority. Choose your date after published. And then the video duration. That's how easy it is. I hope you like this tutorial. We also have a bunch of tutorials in TubeTarget in this channel. Take a look and you might also find tutorials about the other apps too, which might help you succeed in internet marketing. Thanks for watching!